Welcome to Upstyle Plus. Canva is a popular and versatile design tool that allows everyone, from beginners to professionals, to create stunning graphics and images effortlessly with its vast library of ready to customize templates for any project. They introduce and integrate all sorts of design tools often. One of the tools that I want to try in this video is Dreamlab. It's powered by leornado.ai. Dreamlab is an AI tool that can be used to generate all sorts of images. You can access it by clicking this icon at the bottom left. And here is the tool. Type, prompt. You can add an image to guide your creation. Select art style. Select image size or proportions and generate image. I will use this aspect ratio. I will not choose any art style because I want Dreamlab to follow the prompt. I will keep style none. Let's use this prompt. A cute and friendly mascot character designed in a simple and modern cartoon style. It has a round face, big expressive eyes, and a cheerful smile. The mascot is colorful with a playful and approachable appearance, standing in a welcoming pose. No background, just a clean and minimal design. Let's create. This looks really nice. And to use it, I can click Edit in Design to open Canva. And from here, we can edit this image the way we like it. For example, if we want to remove background from this mascot, we can use BG Remover to remove background. We can apply filters to adjust its appearance. We can enhance this image and do all sorts of cool stuff with it. Again, from here, we can go to Dreamlab and change this prompt to a new one. A peaceful Chinese cherry blossom garden with a wooden bridge over a koi pond, soft pink petals falling gently in the breeze, and a traditional tea house in the background. Let's select cinematic concept. Create. And wow, would you look at that? The house looks good. Falling leaves are good. Stream and bridge are fine. Fish are out of the water, little bit more than they should be. The rest of it is fine, it's good. This looks cool as well, but here it forgot to add fish. This is also cool. Next prompt, a breathtaking view of London featuring the iconic landmarks, Big Ben, Tower Bridge, and the London Eye, captured in a vibrant cinematic style. The scene is full of life with people walking along the River Thames, red double-decker buses on the streets, and a classic black taxi in the foreground. The sky is a beautiful mix of blue and golden hues, suggesting a perfect day for exploring the city. No text or logos in the image. Amazing. Character detail is a bit off, but overall it's a good image. This is much better. The heads are kind of funny, and that bus is in the river. And here we have bus and car in the river, and look at this bus. This is better from all four images. Okay, a majestic dragon perched on a rocky cliff at sunset, its scales glowing with fiery red and gold hues, with mist rising from the valley below. Oh my goodness. This is stunning. A unique creation. This is actually amazing. I will download this image. This is also good. And look at this. How wonderful. Looks stunning. Alright, a futuristic neon lit cityscape at night with flying cars zooming past toward towering skyscrapers and a lone figure in cyberpunk jacket standing on a rooftop. Nice. Okay, not all image generations will produce the desired results. You may retry and adjust the prompt to fit your needs, but this is Canva Dream Lab. And here are its results in a quick video. For people who use Canva regularly, this tool can be very useful. They don't have to leave Canva if they want to generate new images and ideas for their projects. Okay, that's it for this quick video. Let me know in the comments what you think about this tool. See you in the next one.